year that marked history. 2010, with the largest and the longest ever 30th India Day Parade. Federation of Indian Associations, FIA, stepped into the new era with multiplied enthusiasm. First time ever, specially imported decorative floats from India adorned the parade, with 140,000 jubilant participants and innovative cultural events like parade dress competition. FIA rocked the year. As euphoria and outlook of Generation Next has pumped up the spirits and brought new dimensions to the organization, FIA scaled newer heights in many ways. First time ever in parade history, Honorable Prime Minister Ms. Kamala Prasad Bisesar of Trinidad and Tobago honored FIA by walking in the parade. First time ever, an Indian non-profit organization invited to do the honors of ringing the Nasdaq opening bell in the esteemed presence of Grand Marshal Preeti Zinta. The Republic Day dance competition with complete new look and amazing branding was an instant hit among the community. And first time launch of parade dress competition came up with the possibility of bringing together various colors of different sects and ethnicity. Moreover, India Day Parade 2010 has been the highest covered event in USA, Europe, India and worldwide. The biggest organization of Indian community in America, FIA represents more than 500,000 Indian Americans. FIA has been the voice of the community and actively addressed issues of the community since 4 decades. Many prestigious organizations have proudly associated with FIA. With the glorious past and exciting present, FIA is moving towards greener pastures. This time, with Indian American community's global perspective, it launches the theme for the next India Day Parade. Here is your chance to get associated with FIA for the larger perspective and common good. As millions of Indian Americans will walk for their motherland, remembering their home and pledging to treat the Mother Earth as their home in a never-before initiative. My Earth, my home. With a message of making Earth a better, greener and happier planet for future generations, FIA pledges to spread the awareness in the world communities about the need for earth-friendly behavior to create a greener tomorrow. Thus elevating the green spirit among one and all. Join the force in action. Walk the extraordinary path to salute the motherland and the Mother Earth. My Earth, my home. Join the force in action. Federation of Indian Associations.